Welcome back. Today we'll be solving the next question from our LeetCode SQL 50. Question number 1978, employees whose manager left the company. Okay, so here's the question. We have this table called employees with 4 columns, and employee ID is the primary key for this table. And then this table contains information about the employee, their salary, and the ID of the manager. Okay, so here's the question. Find the IDs of the employees whose salary is strictly less than $30,000 and whose manager left the company. When a manager leaves the company, their information is deleted from the employees table, but the reports still have their manager ID set to the manager that left. Okay, so this is the question, and then return the result table ordered by employee ID. And here's an example input and output. So here we have all of these employees and then their manager. So not all employees have a manager, so that means like they're not reporting to anyone, so we will exclude them. So we won't consider this one, this, and then this, because these are all null. So employee ID 12, 13, and 9, because their manager ID is null. So out of these, the output will only be employee ID 11, because there are only 2 employees with salary less than 30,000. So we have employee ID 1 and 11, but only employee ID 11 has a manager ID 6, which is not in the table. So that's how we determine if their manager is still there or not, by checking if their manager ID is there in the table. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to our SQL Server Management Studio, and I'm gonna select from this table so we can see it side by side. So let's start writing our query. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna select from this table, and let's just give it an alias. So I'm just gonna call it E for employees. Okay, and what I'm gonna do here is I am gonna do a self join. So I'm gonna join this table with itself, because I have the employee information here and the manager information. So I'm gonna do a self join. So I'm gonna do left join employees table again, and let's just call it M for manager. Okay, and then I'm going to join it on E.manager ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join all the employees with their manager ID. So let's say for employee ID 3, I'm going to join the manager ID from the employee table with the employee ID of the manager table. So I'm going to join this with this, and then similarly this with this. Okay, so I'm joining the manager ID of my employee table with the employee ID of my manager table. Okay, so this is the key. And then what's the first condition? We need all employees where salary is strictly less than 30,000. So I'm gonna say where E.salary is less than 30,000. Okay, so now first let's just select employees from my employees table. I'm just gonna run it as is just to see what all I'm getting. So I am getting employee ID 1 and then employee ID 11, because these are the only ones where the salary is less than 30,000. And I'm gonna add another condition saying that the manager ID is not null, because I want to exclude these as well. So even if let's say if this was 25,000, I wouldn't still count this, because there's no manager ID for this, so I'm not including them. So I'm gonna say E manager ID is not null. Okay, so I only want to include those that have a manager ID. Okay, so that's one of the conditions. The second filter I have here is all the employee IDs where the salary is less than 30,000. So it'll be this and then this. Okay, so let's execute it now. So now I'm getting 2 employees ID, because these are the only ones where there's no manager ID and the salary is less than 30,000. So I'm getting this row and then this row. Now I only want to see employees ID whose manager have left the company. Okay, so for employee ID 1, the manager ID is 11. 11 already exists in this table, so the manager hasn't left the company. Okay, but for employee ID 11, the manager ID is 6, and 6 is not there in the table, meaning it has that manager has left the company. So we only want to show 11 here. So what I would do for that is I'm gonna add another filter saying that m.employee ID is null. Okay, so first condition is less than 30,000, then a manager ID is not null, and then the manager employee ID is null, meaning it's not that employee is not there in the managers table. Okay, so now if I execute it, I'm gonna get only 11 here. Okay, and this is our solution, so I'm just gonna copy our solution here. I'm gonna come back to our LeetCode and I'm gonna paste the solution. Let's just check if you have to order it by anything. Return the result table ordered by employee ID. Okay, so I'm just gonna order it by employee ID. So I'm gonna say ordered by employee ID. Okay, and this should be good. Let's execute it now. Ran successfully. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.